Hello and welcome to week 3. This is Miss Oric. I am going to go over with you your culminating project proposal. So as you will see, I'm going to slide this up a little bit so hopefully you can see some of it. You have a part where you will put your student name, the date, and your course. And then you're going to start with your topic of interest. Now your topic of interest is what you are interested in doing your culminating project on. Okay, so it has to be something that is related to the course, obviously, and something that you are interested in that you want to further explore. So you're going to put just a sentence or two. The topic that I'm interested in is, and then finish that. Now for your action, you're going to explain what you're doing with this area of interest. What problem are you solving? Is there an issue, excuse me, an issue that you are addressing or a problem that you are solving? Okay, sorry guys, I have a little bit of a cold. Okay, so in the action, you're going to explain what problem you are trying to address or solve. And up here is the topic. So your topic, what is you want to do your project on, action, problem you're trying to solve. Here are your resources. This is where you're going to gather all your information, whether it be online, from a book, maybe a video that you watch. You're going to name the resources that you are going to use, that you are going to gather your information from. Here is your product idea. This is what you actually are going to create: a physical model, a PowerPoint presentation, a blueprint, whatever your physical product is for your project. That is what you're going to put here. Now, you may not know specifically, so you may just say, for right now, I'm going to create a model. And then as we get further into the course, you can specify, provide more information about what your model will have in it, okay? So that is your product. Your target area is the audience that will benefit from the product that you create. So maybe you're making this for the everyday person. Maybe you're making this for the scientific community. Maybe you're making this for a specific group of individuals. So that is your audience. That is who is going to benefit from the product that you are creating. So that is what you will put here. And then the final part is questions for me. So maybe you're not clear on the product itself, or maybe you are not sure if the resources you listed are okay, or maybe you have a question about how to develop your product, or something of that nature. So whatever questions you have related to this, you're going to put in here. You will submit them at the end of the week. I will read them, and then I will give you my feedback. And of course, if there are questions, naturally, I will answer those for you. So that is what you need to do for week 3. So again, it's very important you get this in before the end of the week so I can get my feedback back to you, and then you can start working on your product, because before you know it, we'll be close to the end of the course, and then they'll be due. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, but make sure that you download this, you fill in all of the required information, upload it, and send it back so that I can review it. All right, so that is for your culminating product proposal for week 3.